Today we will discuss another one problem related to probability. Problem is 12 balls are distributed among 3 boxes. Then find the probability that the first box will contain 3 balls. Now we discuss the solution of this problem. Since each ball can be put into any one of the 3 boxes, so the total number of ways in which 12 balls can be put into 3 boxes is 3 to the power 12. That is n of s, that is the number of elements or all possible ways in s is equal to 3 to the power 12. Let capital A be an event that first box will contain 3 balls and remaining 2 boxes will contain remaining 9 balls. Then out of 12 balls, 3 balls can be chosen in 12C3 ways. After putting these 3 balls in the first box, now we have 9 balls, remaining 9 balls, and we have remaining 2 boxes, and these 9 balls can be put into the remaining these 2 boxes in 2 to the power 9 ways. So m of a, that is the total number of all possible ways in favor of a, is equal to 12C3 into 2 to the power 9. Hence the required probability P of A is equal to m of A by n of s is equal to 12C3 into 2 to the power 9 by 3 to the power 12. Now we discuss another problem. The probability that a person will get an electric contract is 2 by 5 and the probability that the person will not get plumbing contract is 4 by 7. If the probability of getting at least one contract is 2 by 3, then what is the probability that he will get both the contract? Discuss the solution of this problem. Since here two types of contract, one is electric contract and another is plumbing contract, so we consider two events. Capital A be an event that the person get an electric contract and capital B be an event that the person get plumbing contract. Since given probability of getting electric contract is 2 by 5, so P of A equal to 2 by 5, and also given the probability of not getting plumbing contract is 4 by 7, so probability of B bar equal to 4 by 7, and probability of getting at least one contract is 2 by 3, so P of A union B equal to 2 by 3, and these three results are given. Now we can find that the probability of the person will get both the contract, plumbing contract and electric contract, that is the probability of A intersection B. Since we know that P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, putting these values and after simplifying we get P of A intersection B equal to 17 by 105, which is the required probability, that is the probability of the person will get both electric contract and plumbing contract is 17 by 105. Thanks.